haven't documented nothing of this hunt because we've walked 80 miles and we ain't heard nothing. So, if he comes, I don't know that. We got Mitchell on the gun. We was actually walking back down the mountain. I've called all the way up here. Nothing, so he just answered me in his hole, so we're gonna see if we can make a move on him. I might listen for him for a second. Do you see him? Do you see him? Get him. Yeah, baby. You got him, son. Give me some. Mountain bird, baby. We got him. Let's go get him. Yes, sir, baby. Hey, we worked for that one, baby. He spotted us, and we still got him. I didn't get the shot, but Mitchell's got a nice bird. You got me a good bird. Come on. Get that. God, do you wrecked him. Give me some, son. Ain't nothing like it. Ain't nothing like it. Look at the hooks on him, son. Dude, you're a stud. Dude, it don't work like that much. It don't happen a lot like that.
That's a big freaking bird.
God, let's get him back up on that roadbed. Grab him by the head, he'll flop plumb to the bottom. Let's get him back up there.
Stop the flop.
Yeah, baby. God. Well, boys, me and Mitchell got it done this evening. Gonna be a short video. I ain't videoed nothing because we ain't heard a thing. Didn't have a whole lot of confidence. And we was actually headed back to the truck, and the dang thing I cut, and he gobbled. He wasn't probably 150 yards off side of the ridge. Runs up here, steps out, I mean, pretty as complete, right behind a tree. I'm pretty sure it was behind a tree for you.
Yeah.
And I got him on camera, and he busted us. But he didn't know, you know, exactly what we was. But, and if you turkey hunt, you know it don't happen much. We called, scratched, and it didn't booger bad, so he kind of hung around. I could hear him walking. And me and Mitchell, we finally made a decision to crawl to this. What the heck is it here? Yeah, we crawled to this big old hump, dirt hump from that tree. And the dang bird come back strutting 20 yards from us. He went, what was
15.
it? 15, 20 yards. Well, you can't beat it. Up here on this mountain top. We about killed Mitchell walking in here. Don't let him lie to you.
Stone's God service.
I don't know about that. But we got us. Dang, it is a double beard,
Look
dude.
at.
No kidding. Yeah.
Dude, I was teasing.
100%.
Hey.
Third double beard in a row I've been a part of. Third one.
Dude.
Third double beard.
Shoot, yeah.
You can't make that stuff up. Yeah, he's got some hooks. Yes, sir. He can't beat it. We've got her down in the mountains this evening on WMO, public land. Can't see the bird much in the video, but hey, all of them ain't pretty as can please on camera, but we got him.